Yes.
You only have fish
And
for dinner?
egg.
What about
And
rice
egg.
and fruits? Okay, you have rice and
Is
fish. Wow. Okay, did you enjoy your
and
dinner?
egg. And egg.
Wow, a fish and egg. Did you enjoy your dinner, Chula? Did you
Yes.
enjoy your dinner?
And
Very. And
and tooth and tomato.
wow, that's a healthy food. Do you love to eat tomato?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, that's good, Chula. It's good for your skin. Tomato is good for your skin. Okay? Okay, now
Okay.
Chulam, let me know if you can see the book on your screen now. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
very good. Okay, that's good. Okay, what did you see in the book? What can you see?
Is
There are
there are bear.
there are bear.
There are bear, lion, and an elephant.
Okay, so as what have you see? Okay, there are big animals. Okay, your first activity, Chulam, is you will going to connect the dots for bears. Again, can you see the dots on the
Okay.
bear?
Yes.
Okay. Your first thing you will going to do is you will going to connect the dots. Okay,
Okay.
connect the dots first. Okay, very good. Wow, that's so fast. Okay, so this time, Chulam, let's identify
Yes.
first the animals. Okay, the first one we have bear. Okay, can you describe how does the bear look like? Can you describe the bear? Is it
Mm,
big? Is it furry?
yes. Mm,
Can you describe the bear? How will you going to describe
mm,
the bear?
I don't know. I
You
don't
don't know?
know.
You should know. Okay, you will going to describe. Okay, can do you think the bear is big or is it small?
Big.
Okay, very good. So the bear is big. Okay. Now what about, can you identify what are the colors of bears?
Is brown.
Color
Oh,
brown. Okay, aside from color brown, did you see uh different color of bear aside from brown? Have you ever seen a different color of bear?
mm,
What
yes.
about white bear?
What? Bear? Yes. Yes.
Wow, we have also white bears. Okay, but uh, have you did you see already a true bear? Have you
Um,
ever seen a bear in
I
real
don't
life?
know.
You don't know?
I
Not
don't
yet?
know.
Do you go to the zoo,
Mm,
Chulam? Do you go to the zoo?
yes.
Do you go to the
Yes.
zoo? Do you visit zoo?
Yes.
Okay, how there's no bear in the zoo.
Um, no.
There's no bear in the zoo? No? Okay. Do you
No.
know where does
Yes.
the bears lives? Do you know where does the bear lives, Chulam? Hello? Chulam, do you know where does the bears lives?
Um, what? Bear?
Yes. Do you know where they live?
Leaf. Um, snow.
No, you didn't know?
Snow.
Okay, you can find a bear in the forest. Again, there are bears in the forest, but also in some cold area, there are also some bears, and they are called polar bear. Again, what do you call the bear that can be found in cold areas? It's polar. Julan, are you listening?
Um,
Again, what do you call the bear that can be found in cold places?
I don't know.
They are called polar bear. Again, they are called
No.
polar bear. Again, they are called
They are called
polar bear.
color
Polar.
bear.
Okay, very
Color.
good. Okay, they live in
Mm,
okay, polar bear lives in cold areas. Again, they live
uh, they live
in they live in what are they doing, Chulam? Again, they live in
is
they they
they
live
live they live
in cold
in this cold.
areas.
What is this?
Areas. Again,
Mm,
areas or
areas.
cold
Area.
places. Okay. Again, they live. Follow me, Chulam. They live.
They
They live
live
They live in. Hello, Chulam.
Mẹ ơi con
They
gọi uống
live.
lắm.
Follow teacher. Follow teacher, Chulam. They live.
Okay.
No, 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 Chulam. Please follow teacher. Where are you now, Chulam? Chulam, are you still
No, no,
listening?
no.
Hello, I think your internet. Okay. Drink your water first. Okay, are you ready now? Are you ready now? Are you ready now, Chula?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
now, okay, very good. Okay, please follow teacher, okay? Follow teacher, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. They live in cold areas. Again, they live in
They
cold
live in
areas.
cold area.
Okay, very
No,
good.
no, no.
They are called polar bear. Again, they
They are
are called
cold
polar
color bear.
bear. Very good. Can you read
Bear.
this one again? They are called polar bear.
They are cold color bear.
Okay, very good. They
They
live
live
in
in
cold
cold
areas.
areas.
Okay, very good. Again, where does the polar bear live?
There.
Where does the polar bear live? They live in,
They live in color
again, cold areas.
cold area.
Okay. And what do we call the bear that live in cold areas? They are called as,
Mm,
what do we
They
call the chula, the bear that live in cold areas? They are, they are
are
called
they are called
polar bear.
area. Color bear.
Okay, very good. Okay, I will going to ask you question, Chulam. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Question.
Now, question. Okay. Where does the polar bear live?
Um,
They live
Leaf.
in they live in
They live in color um, antennas.
again cold
Cold.
areas.
Cold.
Cold.
Areas.
Okay, very good. What about
Cold.
polar bear? Polar bear.
Polar bear.
Okay, very good. Okay, I will going to ask you again. Where does the polar bear lives? They live
Mm.
in, you will going to answer me in a
They,
complete sentence. They live,
they, they live in cold area.
again, cold areas.
Cold. Cold areas.
Cold, with letter D, cold.
Cold.
Cold areas.
Cold areas.
Okay, very good. And what do we call the
And,
bear that lives in cold areas?
and
What do we call the bear that lives in cold areas, Chula? They are,
they are
they are called what?
mm,
What do we call the bear that live in cold areas? They are called
they are cold
polar bear.
color bear.
Okay, again, what do we call the bear that lives in cold areas? What do we call Chulam, the bear that live in cold areas? They are called what?
Cold in the air.
They are called,
We are cold in the air.
again, polar bears.
Colors bear.
And where does the polar bear live? Where does the polar live, Chulam?
They are
They live, they live
they
in,
live they live in
they live in what?
live in cold and
Cold areas. Again, cold areas. Cold.
areas.
Okay,
Cold
very good.
area.
Again. Okay. Where does the polar bear lives? Where does the polar bear lives?
They live in car in
Very good.
animals.
Very good. Congratulations, Chulam. Okay, polar bear lives in cold areas. Very good. Okay, what do we call the bears that live in cold areas? What do we call the bear that lives in cold
They
areas? They
are
are
they are
called. Oh,
cold
okay.
color bear.
Very good. Okay, so they are called polar bears. Congratulations, Chulam. You're able to answer the following question. Okay, now let's proceed to the next animal. Okay, the next sentence. Okay, and some bears live in forests. Some bears
Some
live
bear
live
live in
in forest.
forest.
Okay, very good. Again, where does the polar bear lives?
Forest.
Okay, very good. In the forest. Very good, Chula. Okay, okay. What about the lion? Where can we find the lion?
Um,
Where does the lion lives? The lion lives
uh,
in. Okay, the lion lives in forest.
the lion live in
Lion.
forest.
Lion.
Lion. Lion.
Okay, that one. Please read the sentence. The lion lives in
The lion.
forest.
The lion live in forest.
Very good. Okay, what about some lions are in the zoo?
Uh,
Some
star.
Some
Star.
lions
Lion.
are
Lion.
in, again, lions. Lions.
Lion.
Again,
Lion.
one more. No, no, no. You will going to read it continuously. Lions.
Lion.
One more time. Lions.
Lion.
With letter S. Lions. Lions.
Lions.
Okay. Please read the sentence, Shula.
Lion.
Some
Okay.
lions are in the zoo.
Some
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 lions
lions
are
are
in the zoo.
there are the zoo.
Okay, very good. Please read again the first sentence. The lion lives in forest.
The lion live in forest.
And some lions are in the zoo. Some
Some some Lion. Lions.
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 Again, lions. Lions.
Lions.
Okay,
Lions.
okay. Lions. Lions.
Lions.
Okay, that one.
Lions.
No, the other one. Lions. Lions. Lions.
Lions.
Lions.
Lions. Lions.
Very good. That one. Please read again the sentence. Some
Some
lions
lions are
are
in
the zoo.
the zoo.
Very good. Okay, what about the first sentence? The lion, the
The
lion, lion,
lion. Lion.
lion. Again, no, lion.
Lions.
No, continuously, lions, lions.
Lions.
One more time, lions.
Lions.
Okay, listen carefully, Chulam. Lions, lions.
Lions.
One more time, lions.
Lions.
Very good. The lions live in the forest.
The lions live in forest.
Very good. Okay,
No.
forest.
No.
Okay, very good. Again, can you say
Forest.
lions in 3 times? Lions, lions, lions.
Lion.
Okay, it's your turn, Chulam. Can you say lions in 3 times?
Lions.
Again,
Lions.
lions,
Lions.
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 No, listen carefully. Lions.
Lions.
One more time. Lions.
Lions.
No, it's continuously. Again, lions. Lions. Lions.
Lions.
Okay, very good.
Lions.
Okay, let's read again. The lion lives in the forest. The lion,
The lion.
again, lion,
The
One
lion.
lion,
Lion.
lion,
Lion.
lion. Okay, that one. Okay, what about this one? Some bears live in the forest. Again, some
Bear live
in
forest.
forest. Okay, very good. Okay,
In
Chula,
forest.
we will going to continue our lesson on Saturday, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I think that's included for our class tonight. It's good to see you again, Sulam. Have a good night. Bye-bye. See you again on Saturday. Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, good night,
Bye-bye.
teacher Lam.
Goodbye, teacher.